Good morning, students. Welcome to our social class. Today my topic is soil. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. The rich, deep and fertile soil support high density of population through agricultural prosperity. It is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organism, air and water. Now we learn about classification of soil. Based on the soil is classified into 6 major types. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, mountain soil, desert soil and laterite soil. Once again, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, mountain soil, desert soil and laterite soil. Now I take only 3 types of soil. The first soil is alluvial soil. The soils are found in the region of river valleys, floodplains and coastal regions. These soils are found in the region of river valleys, floodplains and coastal regions. It is the most productive of all soils. It is suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane, jute, rice and wheat, etc. And the second one soil is black soil. Black soil is rich in minerals. Black soil is rich in minerals. It is found mainly in western and southern states of India. It is found mainly in western and southern states of India. It is the best for growing cotton. The third soil is red soil. These soils develop in areas of low rainfall. These soils develop in areas of low rainfall. These are less crystalline. These are less crystalline. It is suitable for growing wheat, rice, pulses and tobacco. Okay students, tomorrow I will teach balanced tree soil. Thank you.